To a sales manager the other day, and he was telling me, Brian, you know what? I feel like I'm the deal doctor. And I go, what do you mean? All my reps come to me with all these things that they want to have fixed, repaired. And I go, that's the exact wrong metaphor to have. You need to be the deal nutritionist, the deal personal trainer, because like sales and most things in life, your health, your legal situation, your job situation are all better to be prevented. We're in the prevention business. All the things that go wrong in deals, people won't call you back, you're commoditized, you lose to competitors, you're blocked from access to authority. These things are all preventable. And if you don't build prevention into your sales process, do you really have a sales process, or are you merely reacting to what the client wants? Let me know what you think. Put your comments below, give me a little thumbs up, and let me know what you think.